Penny the plant wakes up to find that a sudden shower from the sprinkler has left her drenched. Seeking a solution, she calls on her friend Harvey the hose, who suggests they channel the extra water away to the thirsty lawn. Enthusiastic but confused, Penny and Harvey soon involve Wendy the Windsock to point them in the right direction. Together, they come up with a plan, using Wendy's wind signals to understand where the water flows best. The adventure becomes a light-hearted lesson as the trio watches the garden thrive from their teamwork. In the end, Penny appreciates the shower as an unexpected nudge towards helping maintain the lush garden, reinforcing friendship and problem-solving in the face of horticultural hiccups.